In the previous videos, we created headers and footers for one worksheet. To save time, you can also add them to several worksheets at the same time. To create headers and footers for multiple worksheets in a workbook, click the tab for the first worksheet. If you want the header or footer to appear on every worksheet, press and hold the Shift key and click the tab for the last worksheet in the workbook. Or, if you don't want the header or footer to appear on every worksheet, press and hold the Control key and click the tab for each additional worksheet you want to add the header or footer to. In the header or footer, click the section you want to add something to. Click the Design tab and click what you want to add, such as a page number. And we can see that page numbers have been added to the header of every worksheet we selected. You can create headers and footers that are different on the first page. For example, you might want to put the file name and current date on the first page and page numbers on subsequent pages. On the Design tab, click Different First Page and add what you want in the header and footer of the first page. I'm using the Go to Footer button to apply the footer. Now we have a worksheet that has a header and footer only on the first page. If this isn't what you want, to add headers and footers to the second and subsequent pages, go to the second page and add what you want. If you add the page number to the header or footer of the second page, it'll correctly display the number 2. You can combine multiple elements and text in the same section of a header or footer. Click the section you want to add elements and text to. In this example, I'm typing the text Workbook. On the Design tab, I'm clicking File Name, typing the text Sheet, and clicking Sheet Name. Adding the sheet name to all worksheets in a workbook is especially helpful when you print them. To format what's in your headers and footers, select what you want to change, and use the context-sensitive menu to make changes, such as font and font size. You can move what's in your headers and footers. Select what you want to move, press Ctrl-X to cut it, select a different section, and press Ctrl-V to paste it. To delete what's in your headers or footers, select the contents in a section and press Delete. To completely remove headers and footers from a worksheet, delete all of the contents. It's a good idea to preview your headers and footers before you print your worksheet to make sure they look how you want them to look. Click File, Print. You may need to click Zoom to Page to be able to read the headers and footers. Click Next Page to see page 2 and subsequent pages. Now you have a pretty good idea about how to create headers and footers. Of course, there's always more to learn, so check out the course summary at the end, and best of all, explore Excel 2013 on your own.